No offense, but it's been a while since we've taken some derivatives. So if f of x were to equal e to the sine x, for instance, what would f prime be? Well, the derivative of the outside function is e to the x. The derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. So that means the derivative of the outside function is just going to be e to the sine x. But now times the derivative of the inside. Some people refer to the derivative of the inside as the chain because we are using chain rule. For those of you who I forced to watch that parody of Bohemian Rhapsody, they call it the chain. And now the derivative of sine is cosine, like so. If you do get a chance, I feel like that parody of Bohemian Rhapsody with calculus is quite good and informative. Their vocals are pretty solid as well. So it can't always be, oh, what do you got?
For the test, are we going to have to show all the work?
Of course. Your work is your answer. So what about natural log of x sine x? How do we do that? Well, the outside function is natural log, and we'll leave the inside function alone. The derivative of natural log is perfect, 1 over x. Internet, trust me, everybody said that simultaneously. It's just my mic can't pick it up. And now I need to multiply by the derivative of the inside. Because chain rule. But remember that the derivative of a product of two functions requires product rule. Everyone remembers product rule. Everyone's nodding very vigorously, Internet. I trust you. They all get it. So product rule is the first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first. So the first is x times the derivative of sine x plus sine x times the derivative of x. So now we're here. But I know what those derivatives are. More importantly, my class totally does. The derivative of sine is just cosine. Plus the derivative of x is just 1. And now you can leave it here. In fact, the directions say explicitly, do not simplify. All right? I don't think it's going to be very hard for you guys to remember how to take derivatives, but I do think you're out of practice.